In this video, we're gonna show you how to get Schengen visa from Bangladesh. First, choose the country you will visit the most or enter first. Next, pick visa type, usually tourist, up to 90 days. Then, prepare documents as like passport for 6 months valid, application form plus photos, flight and hotel booking, travel insurance almost 30,000 euro, bank statement or sponsorship, employment or study proof. After that, book an appointment, visa VFS Global. Then attend appointment, submit documents and biometrics. Then wait 15 days for approval, and finally collect passport when ready. So that's how you can get Schengen visa from Bangladesh.